What is the role of forgiveness in Islam? Resentment. We've all felt its weight. But what if letting go wasn't a sign of weakness, but one of the greatest forms of strength? In Islam, forgiveness isn't about condoning a wrong. It's a powerful, proactive choice for your own peace. The Quran calls God Al-Ghafur, the all-forgiving, and urges believers to embody that same mercy. It's a spiritual practice that cleanses the heart, a social act that mends communities, and a psychological tool that liberates you from the past. The Prophet Muhammad taught that forgiveness elevates your dignity and brings you closer to God's boundless mercy. It's personal growth powered by compassion. It's a transformative, empowering act that aligns with universal moral principles, a challenge to be better for yourself and the world. Perhaps it's a wisdom worth exploring. What other principles for a meaningful life might you discover? Al-Ghafur is one of the 99 names of Allah, emphasizing divine forgiveness. The proactive nature of forgiveness is well documented in the Quran. Let them forgive and overlook. Do you not love that Allah should forgive you? Quran 24:22, and Hadith, e.g., the strong is not the one who overcomes the people by his strength, but the strong is the one who controls himself while in anger. Sahih al-Bukhari. The connection between God's mercy and human mercy is a central theme. Persuasive approach. It frames Islamic teachings as solutions to modern, universal human problems, stress, grudges, fractured relationships, making it relevant and appealing rather than preachy. Because a Muslim considers the afterlife, believing that he will be rewarded by God for every deed he does, his capacity for tolerance and forgiveness is broader.